Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. Today I've got another video. This is another 25 things you can ask your Google Home. If you haven't watched my first one, make sure you check out the link in the description. But yeah, let's begin with the video. As always, I'm going to mute the word OK Google and Hey Google so it doesn't disturb your Google. But yeah guys, let's begin with the video.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet, but I'm trying to learn.
What's the weather like today?
Today in Coventry, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecast high of 9 and a low of 3.
Okay.
Right now, it's 8 and mostly sunny.
Play a song.
Alright, music on Google Play Music. Here you go.
Next song. Stop music. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes. Starting now.
How many teaspoons in a cup?
1 US cup equals 39.968 imperial teaspoons.
Add butter to my shopping list.
Alright, I've added butter to your shopping list.
Set the thermostat to 28.
It looks like that thermostat hasn't been set up yet. Just open the Google Home app and go to Home Control to add a thermostat.
So if you have a smart thermostat, you can connect that. So I currently don't have one, but I'm going to be getting one very soon. So yeah, so now it's not going to work, but if you do, it's going to work very fine. So yeah, let's go on to the next question. Turn on the desk light.
Sure, turning the desk light on.
Tell me a fun fact.
Alrighty, here's one. According to Petwave, Affenpinchers were originally bred as rat-catching dogs.
Something very nice to know. Tell me about Black Friday.
According to Wikipedia, Black Friday is an informal name for the day following Thanksgiving Day in the United States, the fourth Thursday of November, which has been regarded as the beginning of the country's Christmas shopping season since 1952, although the term Black Friday did not become widely recognized or used until the early 2000s.
Tell me about Christmas fact.
One Christmassy fact coming right up. According to Wikipedia, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer was originally named Rollo.
That's nice. I'm bored.
Alright, there's what's your inner animal, what's your nickname, what's your planet, and more. Which one do you want to try?
Okay, not now. I said not now.
I've got plenty more animal sounds where those came from if you just ask.
No, thank you. Make me laugh.
Here we go. A kid threw a lump of cheddar at me. I thought, that's not very mature.
Tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. How do mountains see? They peak.
How much does the Google Chromecast cost?
On the website tomsguide.com, they say, the regular Chromecast costs $35 and broadcasts content at up to 1080p. Do you want a little more context?
No thanks.
No problem.
What's on my shopping list?
You only have one item on your shopping list, butter.
How many days to Christmas?
Christmas Day will be in 38 days.
Ooh, that's very soon, guys. What's your birthday?
I was launched in 2016, but Google's birthday is September 27th, so let's say that's my birthday.
Okay, that's nice. Who is better, you or Siri?
We're different kettles of fish.
Okay, that's a very good answer. Stop the timer.
Sure, cancelled.
How many cards in a pack?
52 cards. On the website boardgamegeek.com, they say, a standard deck of playing cards consists of 52 cards in each of the 4 suits of spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. Each suit contains 13 cards: ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king.
Flip a coin.
All right. It's tails.
Roll a die.
You got it. It's a 1.
Okay guys, that was just another 25 things you can ask your Google Home. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe for no more videos like this. But yeah, thank you for watching the video guys. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one guys. Take care.